Hello everyone, you know what time it is. Thank you for coming back each and every time. It is your girl Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. Yes, I am back to teach you another line dance, and I hope you have your dancing shoes on. Get up, let's go. This is a four-wall dance. It's a beginner dance. It's called After Party. It's a four-wall dance that moves counterclockwise, and I'm gonna give you the step-by-step instructions. If you're interested in dancing along to this dance, just wait till the end and click in the corner and we can dance to the music. If you are in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. And last but not least, guys, thank you for your support. The NOLA Southern Experience 4-day line dance weekend, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. Registration is open and y'all guys are ready. Thank you so much, everyone that has signed up. Thank you to everyone who booked their room, guys. Registration is open. Go over to our website, book your hotel, get ready, get ready. We have a couple of add-ons, and the t-shirt workshop is already sold out. So for y'all guys who are waiting, y'all need to go ahead so those things do not sell out and they're available to you. We have several add-on Party with a Pink Purpose. We have tours, plantation tours, city tours, and y'all guys are responding so beautifully. So thank you guys for your support. Please visit our website at www.LMIUNOLA.com. Thank you guys for your support. Thank you so much. So let's get busy, guys. So let's stand on this side, facing this direction. Stand right here. Okay, the weight is gonna start on the left. So we're gonna walk right, left, and we're gonna do like an anchor step. Watch this. We're gonna go right, left, right, left, right. Right, left, right. Okay, kind of like the anchor step. 5, 6, 7, and right, left, right, left, right. So put that weight on that right. The left shoulder's gonna come back. I'm gonna do a full turn. Left, right, with a left coaster step. Left, right, left. Okay, so let's add that. Walking up with an anchor step, right, left, right, left, right. Turn to your left, full turn. Left, right, with a left coaster step. Okay, here we go. 5, 6, 7. Walk it up. Right, left, anchor. Right, left, right, turn. Left, right, coaster step. Okay, we're gonna walk up again. Right, left, rock and cross, rock and cross. So we do an out and cross, rock and cross, rock and cross, pause, right, left. Okay, so we did an out and cross, pause, right, left. Let's add that. Walking up, anchor step, turning back, walking up, out and cross, which is right and pause, right, left. 5, 6, 7, walk it up. Right, left, anchor, right, left, right, turn, left, right coaster step. Right, left, out and cross, pause, right, left. Okay, now we did right, left. So we're gonna do our first turn. We're gonna step on our right, step, quarter to turn, kick with a coaster step. We step, quarter turn with our left shoulder, kick on the left with a left coaster step. Is 1, kick 2, 3, and 4. All right, so step on that right first, then when you kick, turn and kick on that left, quarter turn with the left shoulder coming back, then the left coaster step. All right, let's add that. Walking it up, do the anchor step, turning back, left, right, walking up with a coaster step, walking up, rock and cross, rock and pause, right, left, step, quarter turn, coaster, step. All right, here we go. 5, 6, walk it up. Right, left, right, left, right. Left, right, left, right, left. Right, left, right, left, right. Left, right, left. Right, left, right. Kick, left, right, left. From here, you're going to do a hip bump. 2, make it a half turn. We make a quarter turn, I'm sorry. We're going to do a quarter turn, bump, and bump. Coming back to this wall. All right? So we need to make a quarter turn first. Right, left, right. Then make a half turn, left, right, left. Okay? And it's not big, okay? So you go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Coming back to your original wall. And my weight will be on the left. And as you see, my right heel is up. I'm going to do a sailor right, right, left, right. And then I'll do a quarter turn to my left, sailor step. Left, right, left. Okay? And that's the step that's going to bring you to your next wall. Doing that sailor step on the left. So we do right, quarter, left, right, left. From here, if you watch the video, a lot of people are going to do a salsa step, but it's really a forward coaster and a back coaster. Right, left, right, left. Step together, back, left together, step. Forward coaster, step together, back coaster, back together, step. Right, left, right, left. So you step forward on the right, together, then step back. You step back on that left, together, and then you step up on that left. That's the end of the dance. So you'll see people doing a salsa step, but it's a forward coaster and a back coaster. Okay? Forward on the right, back on the left. That is the dance. Let's put it together. Let's walk through the steps. You walk up, right, left, anchor step, right, left, right. When we do that, that weight is on that right. Our left shoulder come back, we're coming back to this wall. Turn back, left, right, and then we'll do a left coaster step. Left, right, left. Then we walk up, right, left, out and cross, which is rock and cross, pause, right, left. We're going to do our first turn. We step on the right, quarter turn to our left with a left coaster step. We do a quarter turn, hip bump, right, left, right. Make that complete rotation, left, right, left. So it's a quarter and then a half. From here, weight is on the left. We do a right sailor, right, left, right. We do a left sailor with a quarter turn to our left. Left, right, left. We do a forward coaster on the right, left, right, and a back coaster on the left. Left, right, left. Then you start over. The weight is on the left. My right heel is up and I can walk up. This is our next wall. Started on this wall. The dance moves counterclockwise. 4-wall dance, 32 counts. Let's put it together. I'm going to call out the steps. I'm going to do it again and I'll do the count. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. Walk. Right, left anchor step. Turn back, full turn. Left, right with a coaster step. Walk it up. Out and cross on the right. And then the left. Pause. Right, left. Step right, quarter left with a coaster step. Hip bump. Quarter, then a half. Right sailor. Left sailor to the left. Coaster. Right, left, back, left, right, left. Okay, did you get it? All right. Let's add the count. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk 1, 2, 3, and 4. Turn 5, 6, coaster 7 and 8. Walk 1, 2, out 3 and 4. 5, pause 6, 7 and 8. Step 1, turn 2, coaster 3 and 4. Hit 5, then 6, 7 and 8. 7, and 1, 2, anchor 3 and 4, turn 5, 6, coast to 7 and 8, walk 1, 2, out 3, cross 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, step 1, 2, 3, coast to 3 and 4, hip bump 5 and 6, 7 and 8, sailor 1 and 2, quarter 3 and 4, coast to 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And it keeps going around. We started at this wall, now it's this wall. The name of the dance is After Party. Did I say that? After Party. After Party. That's the name of the dance. Of course, we're going to do that at NOLA Southern Experience. Make sure you go over to our website and check out the NOLA 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans. The NOLA Southern Experience. We'd be so glad to have you. www.LMIUNOLA.com. And thank you to everyone who have registered already. I appreciate you guys. We're going to take great care of you. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.